Hello, hello. So one of my awesome students, Jessica Frame, recently went through my branding modules and also my unboxing modules. And one of the things that I invite people to do is to actually put together a package and send it to me. And I'm so excited because she did. So my promise is that, of course, I am going to do an unboxing video, rate it, and so on and so forth. So here we go, Jessica. Thanks so much for sending this. So first thing that I really think is cool is the fact that there's this kind of little heart sticker here. So without it, the box would have kind of been beaten up and plain by the time it got to me. And this is something that we really need to think about when we are mailing to customers, because this is the first time that you can sort of physically interact or even quote unquote touch them, right? So this is a key touch point. So the second thing that I noticed is that she took my advice, and when I opened the box, there is a fragrance and it smells very good. So, you know, you can appeal to the senses and the psychological aspect of a customer that is receiving the package. So I love this because up top, I pull out a handwritten note. I don't know if you see it, says Jared and Elena, with a branded thank you card. So far she is killing it, okay? Thank you from Earth Aesthetics by Jessica Rose, okay? Look at this. I finished the packaging and shipping module. I'm taking up on your challenge to send my goodies in return for feedback. Appreciative, look at this, like awesome stuff, right? So that's already like doing really, really good, and I haven't even looked at the products yet, so this is great. So I didn't actually technically order any of this, but and I'm not actually super familiar with the entire product line yet. It looks like she's added some products. This is really cool. So I love the packaging because it's biodegradable, you know, recyclable. It's the paper crinkles, and it looks like it's on brand with what she has going. So we have a skincare headband. In here we have a rose water mist, which I'm sure is a good SKU for her. Looks like a bath bomb, which is really cool. Rose bath bomb. Rose hip hibiscus cream, love it. Vital eye lift, got to be making money on those eye products. We have a vitality serum, and the feedback on this one is there is a small leak, which, by the way, happens to everybody. I don't care if you're making products on our end of the chain, or I don't care if you're some huge line like Obagi. We sell it all, and we do a lot of manufacturing. There's a lot of leaking, and this is one reason why we do this test. Maybe there's an extra sort of seal or baggie you can put on it, right? So I'm not too worried about that. And the customers tend to not worry too much unless the leak is bad, which it's not. So Marine Hydra Mask, really cool. All the branding is together. I like that. And then we have this cool kind of like little bag, you know, makeup bag that I know someone like Elena would really enjoy. Then I love this. The last thing is we have a card that sort of highlights the products, has a cool picture there of Jessica and a little bit of a note. So all in all, you know, if a customer maybe spends a couple $100 ordering all this stuff, that's like great. And they kind of feel like they might have gotten more, which is the goal. So Jessica, this is awesome. Good job. I hope everyone can be inspired by her. And thank you so much for watching.